Now let's jump into chatbots. They are a very useful tool for real estate agents especially, so that you have an immediate follow-up system in place for anyone trying to reach you on Facebook. There are a few different ways you can go about creating your own chatbot. One involves more in-depth coding experience, and then there's other services like ManyChat. ManyChat is easily my favorite service when it comes to creating your own chatbot without the hassle of coding. So let's get started. We're gonna select Create a Facebook Bot. And it's important to note that before you can use this service, you obviously do have to have a Facebook business page already created, so that way you can associate this service with that page. So if you haven't done so already, head on back to Facebook and create your real estate business page. Now we'll select Sign In with Facebook. And here we are at my dashboard. I've already created an account just so I can walk you guys through this step by step. You can see my Facebook page is John Doe Realtor. And what we're gonna wanna do is head on down to automation. Now, you do see that you have a lot of different options here on the left-hand side. If you guys wanna see a video detailing all these different features of ManyChat, then do leave a comment right down below this video and I'll make sure to make that happen. But right now we're just gonna click automation. And what we're gonna wanna focus on here is the welcome message. So the message that the user receives immediately after trying to reach out to your Facebook page. So let's click on welcome message. And you can see ManyChat provides us with a default welcome message right here. And in the top right-hand corner, you can select edit message. So you can see I've already done some playing around with this setup here, but I'm gonna delete this just so I can walk you guys through the process itself again. So I'm gonna eliminate this up here. So let's just start out by saying, hey there. And we're gonna add a name here. So you can see this little person icon right down here below the message box. If you click that, you can put first name. So the user's first name will appear there. It just helps personalize the message. So hey there, Kelvin, for example. Thanks for reaching out. I can't wait to follow up with you. In the meantime, some helpful resources. And let's just add an emoji. There we go. And you can see a preview of your message right over here on the right-hand side. And so now we've crafted our message. We want to give some links to the user. So let's do add button. And I'm going to do a couple different options here. Schedule a call. And what you're going to want to do is select this little box right down here. So reply with message. We're going to hit that drop-down arrow and we're going to do open website. And now we have the option to add a URL. And so I've already used the Squeeze Page app to create a scheduling landing page, so you can see it right here. So I'm gonna copy this link here. We're gonna take that back over to ManyChat. And I'm gonna paste that link right in there and save it. So now they have the option to click this. Let's keep going though. Let's add a couple more options. Let's do real estate tips. And again, we'll do the same thing, open in website. And let's go back to my lead site. And we're gonna select the real estate blog. And we're gonna copy this link right here and do the same thing. And let's add one more button. We'll do search homes. And we're gonna do the same thing, open in website, and I'm gonna go back to and we'll do advanced search. And I'm gonna copy this link here so people can be directed straight back to the home search right here on my website. We'll enter the URL right there. And there we have it. We've created our message and we've given our user 3 different links back to our website to different resources, depending on what they might be looking for. So let's head over to Facebook and see this in action. Here we are. So if someone finds their way onto your Facebook page and they want to send you a message, they're going to be presented with this option right down here and they're going to select Get Started. And what that's going to do is launch out that pre-composed message that we just created in ManyChat. So you can see here, hey there Tyler, thanks for reaching out. I can't wait to follow up with you. In the meantime, here are some helpful resources. PS, if you want to unsubscribe, just type stop. Now we've got these 3 links right down here. If I click on schedule a call, that's going to open up this landing page window right here. Beautiful. Now if I head back, let's keep trying it out here. Real estate tips is going to take me over to the blog section. Awesome. So this is just a great way to make sure you are always available via Facebook Messenger and that users are always being directed back to resources on your website. Now you'll also notice down below the links you do have this message that says powered by ManyChat. If you want to eliminate that, you do have to pay for the upgraded account. Let's go back over here and we can take a look at the prices. In the bottom left-hand corner of your account, you've got Upgrade to Pro. And if you want to learn more about the plans themselves, you can click on this link here. And you can see, depending on how large your Facebook is, will determine how much you're going to have to pay for your account. If you're sitting at 500 or less subscribers, don't worry about upgrading. There's no need to, but once you start breaking 500 and you're up into the thousands range for your Facebook audience, you'll want to consider upgrading to maybe eliminate that branding message. You can see here for 1,000 subscribers, it's going to be $15 a month to eliminate that branding message and also increase the amount of tools that you have available to you. And there you go, guys. We just created our very first Facebook bot, and you can create more in-depth sequences with this tool. So you can have different responses queued up depending on how the user is interacting with your messages. You can have videos being sent out, you can have galleries, lists, images, you can see all these different options that you have available. So if you guys want to see a more in-depth video covering the different features of ManyChat, then just let me know again in the comments below what it is specifically you want to see covered, and I'll make sure I make it happen. You'll also notice in the left-hand corner, there's your Facebook page. You can connect more Facebook pages.